Trigonometry formulas involving periodicity identities. Sin x plus 2 pi n is equal to sin x. Cosine x plus 2 pi n is equal to cos x. Tangent x plus pi n is equal to tan x. Cotangent x plus pi n is equal to cot x. Secant x plus 2 pi n is equal to secant x. Cosecant x plus 2 pi n is equal to cosec x, where n is an integer. All trigonometric identities are cyclic in nature. They repeat themselves after this periodicity constant. This periodicity constant is different for different trigonometric identities. Tan 45 equals tan 225, but this is true for cos 45 and cos 225. You can refer the cos and sine chart of my previous video where waveform repeats itself after 90 or 180 degrees and gives negative values between 180 to 360 degrees for sine values and negative values between 90 to 270 degrees for cos values. From the above table, you can see the negative values and how each identity changes when theta changes. Remember these identities to solve the trigonometry equations-based questions with faster speed in exams. Now, I will share with you the general and basic formulas which you have to learn as it is in order to solve the trigonometry equations-based questions in the exam. More and more practice can only help you and memorize these formulas as there is no other simple way to learn. Sometimes, many of them may not be required, but as you solve the questions then only you will get them and be able to use in finding the answers. 2. Trigonometry formulas involving sum/difference identities. Sin x plus y is equal to sin x cosine y plus cosine x sin y. Cosine x plus y is equal to cosine x cosine y minus sin x sin y. Tangent x plus y is equal to tan x plus tan y, divided by 1 minus tan x multiplied tan y. Sin x minus y is equal to sin x cosine y minus cosine x sin y. Cosine x minus y is equal to cosine x cosine y plus sin x sin y. Tangent x minus y is equal to tan x minus tan y, divided by 1 plus tan x multiplied tan y. 3. Trigonometry formulas involving double angle identities. Sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x multiply cosine x is equal to 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Cosine 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x is equal to 1 minus tan square x. 1 plus tan square x, cosine 2x is equal to 2 cos square x, minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x, tangent 2x is equal to 2 tangent x, divided by 1 minus tan square x, secant 2x equals secant square x slash 2 minus secant square x, cosecant 2x equals secant x multiply cosec x, divided by 2. Likewise, for half angle identities. Sin half of x is equal to plus minus square root of 1 minus cos x, divided by 2. Tan half of x is equal to plus minus square root of 1 minus cos x, divided by 1 plus cos x, is equal to plus minus 1 minus cos x, divided by sin x. Cos half of x is equal to plus minus square root of 1 plus cos x, divided by 2. Other important trigonometry identities. Sin a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin a minus b is equal to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Cosine a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Cosine a minus b is equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. 2 sin a cos b is equal to sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. 2 cos a sin b is equal to sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. 2 sin a sin b is equal to cos a plus b minus cos a minus b. 2 cos a cos b is equal to cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. Sin a plus sin b is equal to 2 sin a plus b divided by 2 and cos a minus b divided by 2 sin a. Sin b is equal to 2 sin a minus b divided by and 2 cos a plus b divided by 2 cos a plus cos b is equal to 2 cos a plus b divided by 2 and cosine a minus b, divided by 2 cos a minus cos b is equal to 2 sin a plus b, divided by 2 dot and sin a minus b, Divide by 2 sin square A minus sin square B is equal to sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. Cos square A minus cos square B is equal to cosine A plus B minus cosine A minus B. In this video, I have taught you the important trigonometry identities which are essential in solving the questions like asked in SSC CGL, SSC CHSL, IBPS exams, and other examinations. Only practice and more practice, problem solving related to these identities can help you in memorizing them. You can even write down and make a note so that you can learn them properly. These are the only identities that you have to learn to solve every type of trigonometry questions, and hence no need to refer extra study material or other books. The next step will be only practice and more practice. Goodbye. Have a nice day.